Good morning, video viewers. This is day 7. We've been now in Israel for a week. It's Friday. We are in the old city of Akko. We're going to take a look around, see what there is to see.
Well, this is nice. What a beautiful garden. Lots of beautiful big trees. So the reason we're here is in Akko, it was a city built on top of an old Crusader city. But you can see the Crusader city if you go down, and that's what we're going to be doing now. Yeah.
It's an ancient city that was conquered by the Crusaders,
Yeah.
and then some other knights from Italy came after that and built a city right on top of the city. They filled in the old city with lots of sand and made it higher and built their city on top of it.
Okay.
So today we're going to go down, under, and see the old original Crusader city.
And we're going to walk around a lot underneath, right?
2 hours.
Wow. We're going down here. Wow. So this was all uncovered.
Oh, Mama.
It's amazing that they were able to unearth all this. And it just had to dig out the sand. This is, we're walking through an old sewage tunnel. And
This is an escape route, maybe.
yes. And it emerges into a crypt of an old church. Going through the marketplace. Mostly an Arab marketplace.
Right? You see the fish, the whole fish come in?
Well, there's some fish coming through.
Very close to the point.
Over here we have some delicious date-based sweets. All right, we're going to go through to another tunnel and then out a promenade, and we're going to eat some of that stuff we just bought.
And get a cup of coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Coffee.